Ayun na mga kababayan, breaking news at isang magandang hapon at mainit-init pa mga kababayan. Ayun na ang ating Pangulo, live na live ngayong araw mga kababayan. Ngayong hapon yan 2 minutes pa lang live sa lahat ng mainstream media mga kababayan. Abay, nag-jumping rope pa at pinagtatawanan ang mga ka-fake news ng mga DDS. Mga kababayan, panoorin nyo yan. Ang saya ng aming Pangulong, walang kinikimkim na galit sa puso. Napakabait. Panoorin niyo yan.
Pinjak sa puso. Naglakad lang Pangulo. Naglakad lang. Galit lang.
Nag-BMS kayo, sir?
Can you tell everyone na huwag natin hangarin? Ano po, ano? Ayan, this is, hindi sa tape. It is I am carrying my statement for this afternoon, which is what I'm going to make. It is April 14. We're going to talk about the excise tax. So this has been done today. And I challenge anyone who are saying that I am sick, that they come and exercise with me. We will see who is stronger. You come to the gym with me. Tingnan natin kung sino mas malakas magbuhat ng weight. Tiniyak po na makita ninyo na hindi totoo yung mga sinasabi nila, na kasinungalingan yan. Kaya mula ngayon, yung mga taong yan na nagsabi sa inyo na may sakit ako, na baldado na ako, alam ninyo, puro sinungaling yung mga yan. Kaya lahat ng sasabihin ng mga yan, kasinungalingan. Kaya huwag nyo nang paniwalaan kung sino man yung mga yun. Now you know who the liars are and who is telling the truth. And once again, I think it's very, very easy and very clear that I'm in very, very good health. I just had everything. My numbers are. I just had my regular blood test kasi nagpapaano ko ng vitamins and everything. And I'm fine. I'm really quite fine. The last time that I went to the hospital was to have my CAT scan to show na yung diverticulitis ko gumaling na. So that was what? 2.5, 3 months ago? Mga ganun.
Sorry po.
Tama-tama, papunta ka sa gym mamaya.
So how's your regular exercise routine like? What do you do?
I do weights and then I go on the elliptical machine. Once I average my more or less I work towards a heart rate. So 130 beats per minute.
And that's daily, sir?
No,
How often, sir?
I try for 4 times a week.
Sir,
I try for 2 days on, 1 day rest. 2 days on, 1 day rest.
Sir, before you were very quiet about answering your bashers and trolls. What was the breaking point? What was the tipping point? Bakit po kayo nag-decide to attack it otherwise today?
Because I don't want people to worry. I don't want people to think that really that there's a problem. Because sa dami ng problema natin na hinaharap because of the war in the Middle East, sa dami ng hinaharap natin problema, that will be an additional problem of concern for our people. So I thought the easiest way is to show that I'm still very active physically.
Okay na, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.